3 minus 2,
2,
ये देखो कितने हैं ये, हाउ मैनी, 3, इसमें से 2 माइनस करो, टेक आउट 2, हाँ, हाउ मैनी लेफ्ट, 1, राइट डाउन 1, very good. Now next question is what? 4 minus 1. Take four objects and take out 1. How many left? Count.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Write down 3. 3. Very good. Write properly. Next question is 5 minus 2. Take 5 pipes. How many pipes are there? How many pipes are these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And we have to take out
2.
Take out 2. How many pipes are left?
3.
3. Very good. Write down 3. Very nice. Now, what is the next question? What you have to do? 2 minus. You have to minus 1. Take 2 pipes.
2 pipes.
Only 2. Take only 2 pipes. Take out 1. Take out 1. 1. How many left?
1.
1. Write down 1 here. Very good.